received my official acceptance as a Figma community advocate. I am so excited to be joining the Figma community advocates who are leaders that connect people in smaller groups based on geographic location. So, what this means is for the Vancouver chapter, there is a Friends of Figma Vancouver. If you are in the lower mainland in British Columbia, that means that there will be in person events soon, as there is still a pandemic. Previous year, the event hosted was virtual. I believe we're going to start off virtual for now. This is the amazing Mallory Thomas, who is the chair of Figma, Friends of Figma Vancouver. So thank you for inviting me to join you as a speaker. I look forward to hosting in person and virtual events. So join us if you want to learn more about Figma or socialize with designers, expand your network.